Hi, I'm Beat from IBS and TGM in Switzerland. We are traveling in this LandCruiser 105 series from Brisbane through Simpson Desert, Great Sandy Desert to Exmouth in Western Australia. I would like to show you what is all installed in this LandCruiser. This LandCruiser is basically fully TGM and IBS equipped. So we go now a bit closer and I show you what's all about. The car is sitting on a 10 centimeter 4-inch heavy duty lift kit with TGM Fox shocks. Very good rides in the desert country, very smooth going. In the front we have the TGM T15 bull bar with the sidebars. What you see here going to the rail, this is a unique Australian thing. It makes the front very strong against if you have accident with kangaroos or other animals. Installed here we have the TGM torque winch 12,000 with plasma winch rope to make it light and strong. The car is equipped with the latest Lightforce HTX high performance LED HID driving lights. A lot of lights is coming out of these driving lights. Here we have the two aerials. This one here is for the HF radio station, and this here is for UHF radio communication between cars. At the rear we have an LRA 150 liter sub-tank. So we have in total 250 liter fuel capacity within this car. So that gives us a driving range of roughly 2000 kilometers. At the back we have the RB8 TGM rear bar with twin wheels. Unfortunately, these rear bars are not manufactured anymore. At the back is also the high lift jack, so if needed it is ready by hand and can be dismounted very quickly. On the top you see there is windsurfing gear. We are going to Western Australia for windsurfing. I show you now the technical side of the IBS system, so we are going to the front, to the bonnet of the car. In this car we are running two batteries. On the passenger side we have the starter battery, and driver side here is the starter battery. Over here is the IBS-DBS with the link start kit. So we are out here for testing the new DBS dual battery system. We have an infrared heat camera with us for measuring the equipment. And the system running on roughly 90 to 100 degrees, so it is getting very hot here. Basically in desert country where it's between 40 to 50 degrees, a lot of heat builds up here. We have a go and go inside of the car. I go to the other side. Here at the bottom we see the IBS battery monitor. With this system we can control the DBM system under the bonnet. So this is the combination between IBS-DBS and the DBM20A in-car charger. Up here we have the HX1 HEMA navigation system, Garmin 60 CS6 navigator, and we are also running for emergencies this Garmin InReach Explorer. In case we are ending up in serious trouble, we can at least communicate with the rest of the world. Thank you for watching. More infos will follow.